Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings within the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warframe game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with entering your email address and your password. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the main mission of the game. Once you are allowed control of your player, just tap on the escape button and you will see the options menu. Go ahead and click on it. And now if you wish to change the graphic settings, just tap on the video option from the options menu. Now within this page, you can change various different graphic settings, such as your display mode, the video resolution, as well as your preferred refresh rate. You can change your desired setting for every one of these indicators. And if you scroll further down, you have the options to upscale as well. You can also choose a preset from the graphic quality presets option. After choosing your desired quality and all of the advanced graphic settings, you can tap on the confirm button. Make sure to read through each option to understand what this option actually does from the guide menu. Once you tap on confirm, the settings will be applied onto your game and you will now be able to play the game with your chosen settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphic settings within the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.